Today, I'm headed to a law firm associates work conference in New York City. So I decided to fly because I don't do well with going on the train and like bringing my laptop and working on the train. I don't know about you guys, but some people are like, oh yeah, I'd love to take the train because I just work. But that gives me a headache. Like I can barely like read from my phone while I'm on a train. So I can, however, do work on the plane. And the plane ride from DC to New York is extremely short. So I really didn't have to do any work. It's literally like a 40-minute ride anyway. So got to New York City. The taxi driver, of course, Uber driver, whatever, had to let me out early because there was so much traffic. He literally could not get to like the front of my hotel. So he got out and I just walked. It wasn't bad anyway. It was like I don't know, maybe like 500 feet or something like that. The view from my hotel room was absolutely gorgeous. They booked me in, well, I booked my own room, but they gave me a corner room. So that was really nice. Obviously my law firm will reimburse me for the room, but it was nice that I got a corner suite. I loved it. It was great. And for the actual day that I arrived, like I really didn't do much. I arrived like in the evening. So I just wanted to get some dinner and then relax before going to bed and getting ready for the conference the next morning. And so that is exactly what I did. Now I will say though that the hotel was super, super busy, maybe because it was like truly in the heart of like New York, downtown. And so that's why it was very busy. Like there were people who weren't even staying at the hotel and like just sitting and like chilling all around. It was also full of kids. It was just very loud. But it worked out. Like it was fine. The conference the next morning started pretty early. I think it started like breakfast was at 7 a.m. And so I was like, all right, let me go to bed so I can actually like get up and get ready for this conference. And plus there was a lot of sessions, like there was a lot of panels and the panelists were majority law firm partners with a few like in-house counsels spread throughout like here and there. I will say like all of the panels I found to be like pretty helpful. After the conference, I hopped back on a flight to DC the same night. Bye.